Hi, Sue Sharp here, and today I want to talk to you about the 5 ways to earn with Leadsleap. Obviously, very important part of Leadsleap. So if you click down on the left-hand side, you'll come to the earning tab here. And obviously, the very first way you can earn with Leadsleap is affiliate commissions. So if you're a pro member, you get 50% of anything that your downline spends, and if you are a free member you get 25%, which is very good because there's not many places, not many opportunities will let you earn if you're a free member. So I think earning 25% is very good, and that is indeed where I got my first earnings from. I think I've mentioned it before. I'd gone offline for several months, something going on in my life, too busy to go online, and I'd been offline, as I say, but I think it was more than 3 months. And I came back on, and one of the first things I looked at was Leadsleap, just to start getting back into working online. And lo and behold, I got quite a bit of commissions. So I was very excited. I upgraded straight away to Pro, probably a bit too soon, and started picking up my business, deciding what I was going to do. And I did have to eventually go back down to a free member because at the time I didn't have any extra, which I think is perfectly acceptable in this day and age. I didn't have the extra to pay for my pro membership. And it took me a few months before I was able to go back to pro member. And obviously it's worth it. 50%, you get in then 50% of everything. And that one guy that joined me in my business while I was offline was from a video I'd done, which just shows you how good and how worth it is to do videos. Hello. And he joined and became a pro member without any discussion from me. He'd seen my video, one I did ages ago about making splash pages, I think, and he'd joined and upgraded, and so, well, worth it. And as I say, I wasn't even online, and I was a free member, so I wasn't expecting any affiliate commissions. I actually got some in Hercules as well, so I was very excited about both of those. And so it just goes to show you that you can get commissions probably when you're not expecting it. If you keep doing enough, if you've got enough videos out there, you can be getting affiliate commissions. And so that's how I started. So 25% or 50% if you're a pro member. They do hold them back for a certain length of time. I think it's 60 days in Leadsleap, so you don't get everything. Like I've got 33 pending there. That's my total I've had altogether, because as I say, I've only been back in as a pro member for a few months, and so this is it. I get, so if they paid 27, I get 13.50 for a pro upgrade. But obviously that depends on how much they paid to join Leadsleap, and I'm not even sure of the actual price now, because as I say, it's not one of those flashy showing you money all the time. It's not that sort of program. It's very in the background. It's just a really good, solid central hub for your business. Right, so that's affiliate commissions, and then you get co-op earnings. Now again, this is something new that they didn't have last time I was doing Leadsleap on a regular basis. You get your co-op link here, and then you promote it on other pages and on other traffic exchanges, safe lists, anything like that. You can promote your link, and as you promote your link, it's showing other people's business opportunities, their adverts in effect. And so, which is fine, and you get a few pence for the more you advertise it, the more money you get, and you can earn a reasonable amount from that. And one of the greatest things is you can customize your co-op link by putting an ad bar on it. So it's showing somebody else's advert, but at the top, your ad bar. So you're still getting to advertise, but you're getting paid for it, which I think is genius. I think I love that about Leadsleap. It's little things like that that make you think, oh, I'm advertising their link, but I'm also advertising my link, so I'm getting paid as well. And so I've not been doing it very long. I've had 81 cents so far, and 6 I've got payable at the moment, but obviously that's only a little bit, but all these little bits do add up. Right, next is PPC earnings. Again, I used to have a blog years ago. I haven't had one for a while, and I'm thinking seriously about getting one again, because all you've got to do is have one of their widgets on. This is underneath there, it says PPC widget code. So if you get one of these widgets, you just fill in all this, and it's like having lots of little, excuse her boobs sticking out at you, it's having those little adverts on a page. You could also put them on, if you're making pages, you can put a widget on there, which is really good. You can say how many you want, whether you want 2, 4 or 6 there. So if you wanted 2, you just click it to that, you change all that, and then you put get code, and they'll give you a code to put on your blog. And then anytime anybody clicks on it, you get, again, a little bit of money. So again, it's all a few pence. So if you put them on your pages, in fact, I haven't done that. I've made a couple of pages recently, forgot to put an ad widget on there, and I'm definitely going to do that because, again, a few extra pence in your pocket, and I think that's great. So the fourth way to get paid is credit encashment. So you need to have at least 50 credits. If you do, say you like doing a lot of surfing, say you surf 100 every day. I quite often surf 100 a day in Leadsleap, as well as all my pro ads. I get free ads. And if I wanted to, I could take 50 or 100 credit, or at least 50, and I could encash them. And I think the value must change every day, because it says today's value is, well, I guess 10 cents for 50 credits. So if you wanted a few more pence, I've just got to, well, I haven't, mine have gone down to 38 now because I'm using it for the adverts. But if you did 100 and then every day you encashed 50, it's another 10 pence every day into your funds. It's all growing. It's all your commissions, really. So I think it's a very good idea. I've only ever done it once. Most of the time I want it for my adverts, so I just keep letting my adverts roll on and on because it's traffic, isn't it? Right, so that is that, and then daily active bonus. They really like you to click on at least 10 adverts a day, because everybody wants you to look at their adverts, and so you want everybody to look at your adverts. So it's really nice for you to do some, and of course they give you a few pence every day. So here mine today, I've done 100 clicks. So far, I might do some more later if I feel like it. So I've got 55.65 credits. My bonus at the moment that I've got that is payable, which I haven't withdrawn, is 0.1695, so nearly 17 cents. And so far I've earned $6.19 in daily bonuses. I haven't always been doing 100, but I try and do it most days. Totally missed it there, didn't even do it 10 personal clicks. That means under 10 personal clicks, under 10. So it might be I clicked on a couple of adverts. I was probably setting adverts up, to be honest. And so I didn't earn them. But most days, excuse me, I didn't earn then. But most days, 3, 4, 4, 4.6, 3, 4, 4. So I get 3 or 4 cents per day. But again, over a month, that adds up. It all adds up to a few extra dollars, all these different things. And then at the bottom, there's your earnings and withdrawal. Right, I'm going to stop the video right now because I seem to have lost my voice. Right, sorry about that. Had a bit of a coughing session. So that's it really. 5 different ways you can earn with Leadsleap. Really worthwhile doing all of them. Tutorials everywhere on Leadsleap, and I can't tell you how much of a great program this is. In fact, if you just come online, just work on Leadsleap and advertise Leadsleap, and you could do a lot worse than doing that. There's far too many programs online that can get you all going down a rabbit hole and chasing shiny objects. Join Leadsleap, advertise Leadsleap, and you could probably make a really good monthly income on that alone. Right, so that's it. If you've got any value from it, please click the like button or subscribe for more. Join Leadsleap, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.